got out of the car, we're at the Hydro Hotel, yeah?
Yeah.
Go in, tell me. What, does this bring back some memories?
And here, extreme memories, since it has hardly changed at all. Because it needed a coat of paint then, and it still needs it now.
So the Hydro Group was named after this hotel?
Yeah, it was, as I said, Phil Williams said, where is the right wing of the party? And there wasn't a right wing of the party. This is the room where we were having a reception. And in we went. The left wing of the party were complaining about the right wing of the party, and we said...
Give me the date, exact date, 1980s?
1982. And we were in the room here.
You were having a meeting in here, were you?
No, we were having a drinks reception after the conference, which was next door in the venue Cymru. And a whole load of people were here. And we came and we started off by saying, well, where is this right wing of the party? And we were regarded as, we didn't see ourselves as right wing, but we certainly weren't left. And that's when the sort of split started in Plaid Cymru.
And they were quite small at the time, were they, Plaid?
Relatively, in relation to today, yes.
And I think that's interesting for a lot of people is to see Plaid really grow at the moment. We
Yeah.
talk about a lot in politics and
Yeah.
you know, expected to win in the Senate 2026. But Plaid back then were different.
They were different, and I mean there was this war going on between the David Wigley faction, which I was in,
You were
for
the
sure.
David Wigley faction, were
Well,
you?
yeah, I mean middle name being
You're
Wigley.
related as well.
Yes,
I think,
yes,
aren't you?
cousins. Yeah.
You're
Although
not-
he now we form glad, he sees me as distant cousin, and so we've renamed him Washington, DC, distant cousin.
I got you.
So it's Washington now. So, the left surrounded David Ellis Thomas, and that's where it took Plaid. It went into the freezer for a while. It was certainly strong still in the Welsh-speaking areas, and there was an element of Leanne Wood when she came in, the Rhondda, etc. But the flood that was due to happen, NOPTU was a national organisation for Plaid trade unionists. It just didn't happen. They were just dreaming away, and the traditional is better than right. Plaid members, they just got unhappy and decided not to do much work. That's what happened.
So it was quite a big, in the history of Plaid Cymru, this was quite a big moment in the early 80s here at the
Yeah,
Hydro
it was.
Hotel.
It was.
And it's John Lewis, the interview you did with John Lewis at Aberystwyth train stations, that's got like
Yeah.
hundreds of thousands of views. He was part of Plaid
Yes,
back then,
yes,
was he?
there were about, we weren't that many initially, about 15 of us. We just slowly but surely either didn't take part at all or took less part.
So you just didn't feel comfortable with the
Yeah.
direction, the left, the kind
Yeah.
of feeling it going too left?
It just,
Do you think
we wanted it to be what, a broad church. That's what Plaid was, and that was the appeal.
Do you think if you were a young man now that you'd find Plaid more attractive? Would you join them? What
No.
they are now?
No.
Right, let's get out of here.
Yeah. Can we go around once more? Yeah.
There we go. So it was in that room.
Yeah, that is the room. There should be a blue plaque outside. And we did lots of interviews, lots of articles under the name of Hydro.
What publications?
Mainly on news and S4C we did, because that was the time when S4C was